Improving access to resources while preserving and replenishing those resources is what we do at Veolia. Each day at food and beverage processing plants, we treat and reuse industrial process water, recycle solid waste, and recover organic residues by converting them into green energy or compost. These sustainable solutions for a circular economy enable us to optimize the manufacturer's water and energy bills, operating costs, and environmental impacts. Here's how and why at a glance. The agricultural raw materials of animal and vegetable origin and the materials needed to transform them into consumer packaged goods arrive at the food processing plant. The raw materials are processed and packaged using industrial processes that consume a great deal of water and energy. These processes also generate wastewater, CO2, and residual waste. Generally, each food processing plant has its own installation on site to treat wastewater, using physical-chemical processes such as flocculation and settling or flotation, biological processes that use bacteria, or membrane processes such as filtering through porous membranes or reverse osmosis. The treated water is then reused in the plant in the industrial process, or for use in utilities, boilers, cooling systems, or even for cleaning installations. It can also be released into the natural environment without risk. Liquid and solid organic waste, along with the sludge from wastewater treatment, can be recovered in two different ways through anaerobic digestion. The waste produces methane, a green energy source called biogas. The residue left over from the digestion process is known as digestate and can be used as a fertilizer on fields around the plant. Using cogeneration technology, the biogas is burned to produce electricity, which can be used to supply the plant or fed into the regional electricity grid. The residual heat is converted into steam that can be used in the food processing cycle. The food products made at the plant are transported to places where they will be bought or used, such as supermarkets, convenience stores, company canteens, central kitchens, and so on. Lastly, the packaging waste, plastic, steel, aluminum, glass, cardboard, etc., is sorted on site or at a nearby sorting centre. This waste is turned into new raw materials. These secondary raw materials can then be used again in a production cycle. This circular management of water, energy and waste reduces the water, carbon and raw material footprints of the food and beverage industry and also optimizes its production costs.